Federation of Haomee has expressed strong disappointment on the recent talks between Manipur's Chief Minister and representatives of Kuki-Zo Council in Guwahati. In a press note issued by its president, Federation of Haomee maintained that the talk, which was held without proper consultation of Meitei and Naga community, was an attempt to placate a particular community and organizations which have been trying to bifurcate Manipur and its territorial integrity. While reminding an official release issued by Manipur government on December 18, 2024, which denounced the existence of organization called Kuki-Zo Council. Federation of Haomee alleged that the recent talk seemed to recognize the council. While raising question on the citizenship of various leaders of Kuki and Zomi communities, Federation of Haomee maintained that KNO President P.S. Haokip is Myanmar national, while President of Zomi Reunification Organization Thanglenpao Gaite was once a member of parliament in Myanmar. While cautioning the government on engaging in dialogue with organizations that are trying to break Manipur, Federation of Haomee urged government of Manipur to reflect on the future consequences of placating foreigners with secessionist ambition.